Zipto expands crypto payments with reloadable Visa cards, PiNetwork integration, SUI support and DeFi swaps, driving mainstream adoption. We believe you should hold the keys to your Bitcoin, Pi, SUI, or Ethereum. Your keys, your crypto. Then, when you want to spend it, you use Zipto. Lodz, Poland, March 4th, 2025/einpresswire.com/ with new reloadable cards becoming the first ever third-party crypto wallet app to integrate PiNetwork, upcoming SUI integration and more, Zipto's drive towards mainstream crypto payments adoption is showing no sign of slowing down. Zipto has just launched reloadable virtual Visa crypto cards, now available in the Zipto app. These cards can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, and can be added to Google Pay and Apple Pay for in-person payments. Soon, it may also be possible for users to be able to withdraw cash from ATMs with NFC, making them ideal for real-world spending. Zipto's cards integrate with its non-custodial wallet, enabling users to quickly load funds from any imported DeFi wallet. Supported cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and more. Users can also fund their cards using ZYPs, Zipto's in-app reward points. We believe you should hold the keys to your Bitcoin, Pi, SUI, or Ethereum. With our new cards, your assets stay yours until you decide you want to spend them. Your keys, your crypto. When you want to spend it, you use Zipto. Zipto has become the first ever third-party PiNetwork wallet app, which is fitting considering their long-standing commitment to supporting Pi long before its open mainnet launch. While Pi is not yet accepted for funding Zipto's cards or as payment for other Zipto products and services, a Pi payment gateway proof of concept is live on the Pi browser at pi.zipto.com, with full payment integration expected in the near future. In fact, thousands of pioneers have already received bonus ZYP reward points as a reward for helping to test this system. Additionally, Zipto's bill payment system is now live in the app, allowing users in multiple countries to pay domestic bills with crypto, further demonstrating Zipto's focus on real-world applications. Another important addition coming to Zipto's DeFi crypto wallet app is SUI, an emerging blockchain designed for speed and scalability. The Zipto app already features hugely convenient multi-chain swaps, allowing users to swap assets across different blockchains seamlessly. DEX integration is built into the app's interface, supporting Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and the latest addition, Radium on Solana. Zipto have confirmed that at least one SUI-based DEX will also soon be integrated. ZYPs, Zipto's in-app reward points, offer users new ways to engage with the ecosystem. Thousands of pioneers have already earned ZYPs by testing Zipto's Pi native dApp. More earning opportunities will be introduced soon, including token quests for holding specific assets, additional cashback incentives, and daily rewards in the Zipto Rewards Hub. Users can also earn ZYPs by holding Zipto tokens and participating in the Zipto community. Join Zipto's growing crypto payment ecosystem. Zipto continues to develop new ways for users to use their digital assets in their day-to-day lives. If you're a crypto holder, you're invited to discover Zipto's convenient range of payment tools. Download Zipto app to get started, visit Zipto.com for more detailed information, and consider joining Zipto on Telegram and all major social media platforms.